Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about what we call Learning Management System or LMS. But beforehand, before we come to the details, we would like to revisit first to what we call online collaboration tools, because LMS also part of the tools that we can work collaboratively. By the definitions, the online collaboration tools means encouraging teamwork and peer feedback by using online platform that allow students to share documents, edit, and provide comments in real time. We have several types, but actually we have a long list of online collaboration tools. In this occasions, we only exemplify 4 of them. The first one is class blocks, and then Google Docs, Wiki software, and our topic on learning management system. At first, talking about blogs or web blogs, we have those two terms. When you search online, you can search using blogs or web blogs. It's on the hype around 2010-2009, but actually it has been well known since 1999. It's different from website because it's completely free. We just need to plug and play, put and use all of the features by just moving and putting in the right place. We have discussions of blogs, but then I want to remind you about the use of class blocks, in which accommodate students and teachers in the same space, and then everyone can work based on their roles. The teacher can be the admin or administrators, and then the student can be the contributors, like giving the assignment to the student to write on the class block, and then they give and they put the assignment on the blocks independently, and that's what we call class blocks. And then another types of online collaborative tools, I believe you are familiar with Google Docs. When you open files on Google Drive, we have these features. When you open a certain file and then you click share and then choose the general access, let's say decide to make the link as anyone with the link can access this file, and then also we can set their roles as viewers. It means that they can only view the files, they can download, and then they can modify the files offline, and also commenters, and the highest role is the editors. It's like we write an articles and then everyone can contribute one files, working collaboratively with all of the editors. We should not be in the same place, we can be in a different place, different time, but we can work together to make an article, for example. Another sample of collaborative tools, we have the Wiki software, MediaWiki, Confluence, and so on. When you type these keywords, Wiki software, then in my search, for example, I can have 22 more samples of wiki software, and you can try it by yourself one by one, and then decide which one based on your preference that can be used for future practice for your language teaching. And then next, the last one, this is what focus for this class. We have what we call learning management system, or LMS, and I believe you have experienced one of them, and part of your assignment after this video, you can give your expressions, your impressions, or sharing experience on the use of LMS. Is it great tools, or it's difficult for you? So you can put in the comment below. Yeah. When you type these keywords, learning management system providers or platform, then we can have this list: Canvas, Edmodo, Schoology, Google Classroom, yeah, Moodle, and so on. There are so many we can choose. But in these occasions, we just want to focus on one sample, and in your future practice, you can choose more and experience to get more experience on the use of LMS. But at this moment, we won't only focus on Canva. Yeah. Okay. What we can do using LMS, if you are experienced using blogs or blogging, you can it's like an open access. It's free, but also open access. Everyone can access without password, and that's not secure. Some students feel uncomfortable using blogs, especially when they have to comment under the post. In LMS, you can imagine a class, but it's in online world. It means if you want to enter the class, you need an account, or you need to link to join with password. It means only our student, in our case, can enter the class, because they may have the account or they have the link to join. In LMS, for teachers, for example, we can play our role as teachers, but sometimes we also join training outside of our institutions. When they use LMS, then we can play our role as student. So it's like it's easy to switch the role between the student and teacher. In LMS, it's accommodate any kinds of media, starting from text, images, video, audio. It's also, we can make quiz, and the most interesting for me personally, it's possible to embed media outside of LMS. I mean, when we want to provide the text, for example, using image or using video, we just need to refer to YouTube, for example, we don't have to make our own materials. we just need to get the embedded link and then put into the LMS. And that's the great thing of LMS, because it's secure and have complete features of tools to support the teaching and learning process. Well, that's part of the introductions of LMS. What you need to do after this is to write your comment about your impressions, or if you don't have experience. But if you have experience, then also you can add your experience related to the topic of online collaborative tools or LMS or Canvas itself. Thank you. I will give you some time to make your comment. Please write in the comment box of this video. Thank you. We will continue to the second video on how we create an account and learning of some features on LMS of Canva Instructure. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we'll move to the second video. The second video is more technical. We will directly to visit and make account in Canva Instructure. What you need to do, the first one is to create, type the address canva.instructure.com. Wait for a moment, and then you will find this page. Yeah, we hope that the internet connection is okay. This one, first you need to create the account, this one, and choose as teacher, student, or parent. In my case, it's better for you to choose the role as teacher, because you will have more features, and I believe you can use this account for your future practice in teaching or after your graduations. Alright, just click this one, put your email address, and then put your name, and then click the agree. Looks okay, everything, and it's just something ordinary step in making account. If you have complete the process, then you will have this logs. This is the inside of the Canva. This one is some of courses I join or I make for my student. Like this one, I joined the Teaching English Academic Writing 2025 using also Canva. This course provided by the Relo US Embassy Jakarta, and in this course my position as a student. In another classes, for example, called Computer Assisted Language Learning, I made this class. Yeah, I made this class, and my position as a teacher. And this is what it looks like of the call class. We have the menu and so on. If you want to make your own class, what you need to do is visit the dashboard like this. Wait for a moment, and then we have this one, start a new course. Yeah, and then you need to put your course name. Let's say TOEFL introductions, just in case you want to make a TOEFL course in the future, and then using flipping class, you use this LMS as a source to to study independently outside of the class, and then in your real class, then you can have more discussions and interaction with the student. Then it's also possible to make the TOEFL class on the level of introductions, right? Let's say we have the TOEFL introductions, and then we start to create. Okay. And then we will be directed to the course details. We have this name. Yeah, we have this name, the class name, course name, and then we have these details, course details like this. What you need to do is just complete the items. Yeah, start from the image. We have options of upload. As usual, you just need to go to, yeah, like this one, for example, finding the image. Wait for a moment. Okay, we got it. And then name, TOEFL introductions, and then course code. Let's say TOEFL 1 25. 1 means introduction, level 1, and then the year 25. And then time zone, if you want to change into Jakarta, then you just need to search the time zone, this one, +7. And then participations, yeah, which is course. We can change the date when we want to start. Let's say, for example, we want to start this course on the 1st of June, this one, and then end on 30 of June. Okay. By starting like this, you can give the student time to register and to prepare themselves. Or if you want to make, let's say, introductions or coordination before the class, then you can do the activities. Why? Because you have set the start and end of the date. We have also this one, the menu of restricted student from viewing course before course start date, or restricted student from viewing course after the course end date. What will happen when we tick these features, restrict student from viewing course before course start date? It means if we click this menu, the student can join this class, but they cannot start learning before the 1st June. Similarly, when we click this one, restriction from viewing course after course ended, they cannot access the learning after the ended of 30 June. And this is the features I like from Canva. Just in case you want to make it, you want to sell this course, then you can start to gather the crowd, invite the student to the class, and then they can start the class in the same time, and then end the class automatically. And that's what I like, the idea of automatizations, right? And then you can read by yourself another menu. I just try to focus on the important one. All right, and then I want to focus on this. Yeah, let student self-enroll by sharing with them a secret URL code or not. All right, if you are not seeking this one, it means you have to input your student manually to this course, and I don't like that idea. I like automatizations, so that's why I will tick this one. Yeah, and then start to update. Okay, what will happen? Nah, if we tick this one, yeah, if we tick this one, then we will get the URL. It means you can share this link to, let's say, WhatsApp group, this link, so all the students can join independently in the preference time, in the preference time. Or alternatively, you can also, the student can also get this one, link the Canva Instructure registers, and then use this code to join the class. All right. So next, you will have assignment to create an account, and all, of course, with the materials. But in these occasions, we just focus firstly on the technical issues, because I cannot assign you to make LMS or other online tools or collaborative tools without giving you the introductions, especially on the technical issues, right? So when you have complete set up these course details, then you can also learn this menu. Yeah, it's related menu to your course, the TOEFL introductions. We have complete features such as grade and so on, and everything runs automatically. But first, you have to set up everything by yourself. Yeah. For the list of students, you can check in this case. Yeah, in this menu, people. We don't have any student yet because we have not invited any student. But if we learn from other classes, for example, this one, yeah, and then go to people, we can find all of the lists of students here. Teacher 1, student 25. All right. Those are some of the technical issues. And then if you want to develop the materials on this course, what you need to do is visiting your course again, course page, and start to add the module like this. Yeah, plus, and then let's say module listening, lock or unlock. It depends, but I decided to unlock because actually we have set in the general setting. I mean, the student cannot access the course until the 1st of June at the module. Yeah, and then we have another module, structure and written expressions. See, and then let's say we add also another module, reading. Yeah, now we have 3 modules: listening, structure, reading. Under listening, we can add the material. We have some of types of material: assignment, quiz, file, page, discussions, and so on and so on. I would like to choose page like this one, and then I will put the name of the page, listening strategy, alright, and then I want to add another page, yeah. Listening to the first speaker, add item. See, listening strategy, listening to the first speakers, and then we want to add another material other under let's say synonymous. Okay, and then we add another page, let's say negative. Yeah, so now you see we have this 4 material under the listening topics. If we want to modify, then what we need to do is just click like this, and then go to edit. Right, when you have this page, actually it works like blogging. Yeah, you can type the text, and so on. Okay, you can also input image. Yeah, upload image, submit. You can also see it works well. Yeah, you can also add media, video, upload course media or users, but I like to if we use the YouTube video, I prefer to embed using the embed because it won't be heavy for you and also for the website to get the storage. Yeah, if you want to embed, then what you need to do is just go to YouTube, and then find the video. Yeah, let's say this one, try this one, and then click share, find the embed and then copy the code like this, return to the Canva, and then find the view HTML. You see it's similar to working on blocks, right? Text or HTML, and then you just need to paste the code and then return to the text mode. Yeah, okay. And you will see that this one will be the appearance of your materials from the view of students. You just need to view and then go to HTML, and then after you copy the code, you just need to return to the text mode using this button. Okay, those are some samples on creating material. In this case, we have the TOEFL introduction course, and then for more explorations, I will give you time, maybe for a week, to make group and then to explore the features and then try out some of the sample from the video. And then next week we will have more comprehensive discussions after you have your experience. But don't forget, after the video you still have some assignment. The first one is commenting about your impressions, your perceptions, or your experience on the topic of collaborative tools or LMS or Canva Instructure in specific. Thank you. We will wait for your contributions in the next week discussions. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.